Football is not a game, right? It's a combination of emotions and passions. But in order to execute, you need stamina, strength. The biggest stage when it comes to competition, we consider as World Cup. But apart from World Cup, I think a couple of them are very, very important and popular as well. One is called Euro Cup, another one is Copa America. But it doesn't matter whatever the stage you are in. At the end of the day, we are actually promoting football. We are actually showcasing passion for the game. But my only objective probably to think about football is not only a sport, but also a combination of teamwork and collaboration. On the field, it doesn't matter whether you are actually playing against your opponent or not, but maybe that opponent is there only for today. Maybe tomorrow you're going to play in a particular club or maybe in a particular team where your opponent is going to be your peer. So football actually teaches us how to play against your peer and how to play with your peer. How about if we club all of them together and make one particular tournament each and every year? Let's find it out, or let's actually think about it as a collaborative tournament, just like World Cup, right? Yes, it's obvious that World Cup comes every after 4 years, but why to wait for 4 years? Why can't we do it every year? Maybe in a different way. I'm not saying that we should break that tradition for World Cup now. I'm saying create another tournament which should be globally accepted or played, where each and every player across the globe can participate. Football can be one of the biggest examples of using or utilizing sport as a part of humanity, where we play together, we cheer together, we enjoy together, and we also go and hug our opponents to show humanity. Think about it, guys. Psychosocial. Break the barriers.